Most Toyota key fobs, like those for Camry, Corolla, and RAV4 models from 2010 to 2025, use a CR2032 battery. To replace the battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Ensure you work in a dry area and discharge static by touching metal before handling the electronics inside. Insert the tool into the seam along the side of the fob and gently twist to separate the two halves. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. Take a new CR2032 battery and insert it into the key fob with the positive side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Align the two halves of the key fob case and gently snap them back together. Ensure the case is fully closed and that all seams are flush. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within 5 to 10 feet of your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Remember to recycle the old CR2032 battery at a designated battery drop-off location.